Hi there, welcome to this tutorial, toggle shortcut modes in Pro Tools. What does that mean? Well, what you may or may not know is that in Pro Tools there are two shortcut modes. One is your typical two-key shortcut mode, needs a command or a control or something to make it work. Then for fast operation, there's actually a mode where you've got single key. So instead of having to Command X or Command C or Command V, you just XCV, cut, copy, paste. And then there's other like Pro Tools kind of specific shortcuts like B and D, F, G, all these kind of things, R and T for zoom in, all this kind of stuff. If that drives you crazy or if it's not how you're used to working, then let's hop into Pro Tools and I'll show you how to turn it off. So this is your standard Pro Tools window, and there's this tiny little corner up here and this little A to Z, which is very hard to see. So I'm actually going to zoom in on that, and we're going to zoom in there. And as we zoom in, then I'm going to zoom in a little bit more, and you'll be able to see it's kind of gray. If I click it, it's yellow and illuminated. Gray means that you're in two shortcut mode. Yellow means that you're in single like two finger shortcut mode versus single finger shortcut mode. So this is standard. This is one button push. So it's that easy, and I hope that helps you. That might be something that's bothering you, or that might be something that you need help with. So that's all for today. Just quick A to Z. There's a couple other places in Pro Tools where you'll see that, but it's not as life-altering as Edit menu, the upper right-hand corner. So anyway, hope that works for you, and hope that you have a great day. Thanks for watching.